Whether you are a business or career person, one stream of income is not just enough to cater for the increasing expenditure coupled with the inflation we are experiencing these days. There is a need for us to leverage the online space to generate additional income and possibly go into online business full time. And so, in this video, I'm not only going to tell you how I make 5,000 cedis on WhatsApp monthly, which is approximately $800. I'm also going to show you step by step how I do this, and even if you're a beginner with no experience in the online space, I'm pretty sure that you can learn this from me and implement it also. So stick to the end of this video and learn all these things for free. Hi, my name is Desmond Edemekulu. I'm an award-winning author, a copywriter, and also an online business strategy consultant. Over the past 5 years, I've been online helping businesses and professionals leverage the online space in order to create value, grow their businesses and grow their sales, make more profit. And also, not just that, I have been teaching people also how to use the online space profitably to make more money, create more value for themselves. And I have taught over 1,000 people how to use an online platform, especially WhatsApp. So here are some of the testimonies from some of my students, and you can pause the video and read them on the screen. So why WhatsApp? Why not Facebook? Why not Instagram? Why not LinkedIn? Why not any other platform but WhatsApp? It's very simple. You see, WhatsApp is the most used messaging app in the whole world. It's in over 195 countries, and almost every person you know right now using a smartphone is using WhatsApp. And so it's a very common platform and also very basic to use. One of the reasons why I love to teach people how to monetize WhatsApp is that it is very easy to use. You're already chatting your friends and family on the platform. And so it is very basic, and also you already have all the people you know on WhatsApp already. Most people are familiar with the platform. It's not like email marketing, other platforms where you have to be taught and have to be internet savvy in order to know how to use it. You are very comfortable with WhatsApp. So why not turn this app that you already use and start making some money off it? That is exactly what I'm going to show you. Already, I have an ebook that is put together. It's a best-selling ebook on how to make money on WhatsApp. Those of you who are able to stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that book for free, no charge at all. So stick to the end of this video as I take you through the entire process and give you this ebook for free. Right, so as a beginner, there are 6 different businesses that you can start on WhatsApp. Maybe you may be in business already, or but you're not trying to start. I'm giving you 6 ideas that you can start on WhatsApp. Number 1 is that you can start selling physical products. So let's say you own a shop. You have things you're selling in the shop already. You cannot leverage WhatsApp to market and reach new audiences. You can bring in new audiences or market to your existing audience what you are selling in your shop. That's cheap marketing. You're not spending any money, just using WhatsApp. Number 2 is that you can sell digital products. So the difference between physical products and digital products is that digital products are made in the online space. They are created and distributed online, whilst physical products are created physically. So for example, digital products are ebooks. So they are created online and they are distributed online. So a video like the one you're watching is a digital product. If I decide to sell this video to you, this would be a digital product. So templates, guides, softwares, audio files, all of those things are digital products. If you have any knowledge at all, any expertise in something, you can decide to put that into any form of digital product and sell to people. I have ebooks I sell, I have courses I sell. You can create one too. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how, I'm going to tell you an opportunity where I can hold your hand one-on-one, coach you on how you can create some of these things and then begin to sell and make money on WhatsApp. Number 3 thing you can do on WhatsApp is digital services. So for example, you have a skill, you're a graphic designer, you are a web designer, you do any digital skill, any skill that you can render online, definitely you can reach out to people online in order to deliver that service to them. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. So if you may not have the skill, you may not be able to get the goods or have the capital to buy the goods to sell physical product, or have the skill to create a digital product or have a digital service. But something you can do is that you can leverage somebody else's product or service and use your platform to distribute it or to sell it to other people. That's basically what is called affiliate marketing. So it's not even difficult. You just get the product or get the materials from someone else, you put it on your platform, and somebody is interested, you negotiate the commission with the person that is selling it, and then once there's a sale, you get a part of it. That is very cool, something you can begin in even right from today. And in my program, I teach people how to do affiliate marketing right on WhatsApp. And in 30 days, you'll be able to make even some amount of money to begin with. So let's move on to idea number 5, which is drop shipping. So drop shipping is not any complex thing that you have to have a website, ship goods from China, from Turkey to sell. That's drop shipping, of course. But when you bring it to WhatsApp, it's very basic. So let's say there's a shop in your area where someone is selling maybe cloth, fabrics. Yes, I'm wearing this fabric. It's a fabric shop in your area or anywhere in town. And you decide to promote that fabric to your online audience, maybe on your WhatsApp status. All you need to do is to go to the person and agree with the person, take pictures of the product in their shop, or they even send you pictures from wherever they are, and you begin to promote that on your WhatsApp, in your groups, on your broadcast list, on your status. Begin to create some demand for that product. Anybody who is interested in getting that product, the person pays maybe directly to the supplier, and then the supplier delivers to them, and then you get your commission on every sale you bring. So that is also an interesting way of beginning to make some side income from WhatsApp. And you can do these things even when you have a full-time job, right? So idea number 6 is drop servicing. So the same way drop shipping is for goods, drop servicing is for services. So for example, you can position yourself as maybe a design agency, a web development agency. And when somebody is interested in those skills, maybe in those services, you don't have the skill, but you can contact someone who delivers the service on your behalf. A very interesting and genius way of rendering services and making money online. So you just position yourself. Somebody is interested in the services that you have listed that you are offering. You have to make sure that you have people ready to provide those services for you. Agree on the amount that they are charging, and then you sell their services to other people. And that was how I went through university. I began about 8 years ago. I didn't have any skill, and I was desperate to make money and go through school. So definitely I had to do something, and this was what I did. I was the one known on campus as an entrepreneur. So definitely I had people that I was connected with who were doing stuff for me, graphic designers, web developers, and all of that. So I just leveraged their skill, and I was selling their skill to other people. So the money comes from the clients, and then I give them the people who are working with me their share, and I keep my profits. That was how I was doing. So definitely you can look into something like that. You have a service you think you can sell to people, then definitely start doing something. Start putting that together and market to people. And when you have some clients coming in, you can contact people who can do the service for you, and you make some money up there. So I've given you 6 ideas. I have a bonus one for you that you can also implement on WhatsApp. So all these 6 can be done on WhatsApp. The last one I want to give to you as a bonus is that you can do advertising for people on WhatsApp. So when you're on my WhatsApp, you realize that I promote other people. People pay me to put their stuff on my WhatsApp to promote them. That is another interesting way to make money. But what you have to do in order to excel in all these things I'm telling you is that you must build an audience on WhatsApp. So you must have a lot of followers on WhatsApp, have a lot of contacts, have a lot of views on your WhatsApp, maybe 500 to maybe 1,000 plus WhatsApp status views, so people can pay you in order to advertise on your platform. So now that we've talked about all these ideas, how do you get started? So I'll share 2 things with you right now to get you started. So first of all, pick any of the ideas that you want to run with. Okay, but the thing you have to do right now is that you must decide on what you want to do online, what value you want to bring to people. And so that's what we call niching. So a niche is just an area of specialization you have chosen. You see, you can be doing maybe physical products, you can be doing digital services, digital product, or whatever idea you've chosen, but there's a need for you to concentrate on one area. That is what is going to make you unique, what is going to make you distinguish from the other people who are doing it, so that you can easily grow and become influential and make more money online. So decide right now on what value or what you want to bring, what you want to do to people, what services you want to render, and what area of specialization you want to focus on. So are you going to be maybe in business? Even in business, what area of business are you going to be? Are you going to be in finance? Are you going to be in investment? Are you going to be in marketing? What specific area are you going to operate in? The narrower your niche is, the better it is for people to identify with you and be able to work with you. So decide on that. Take some time and write down, even in the comment section right now, put down what area you think you want to focus on. I'll get back to you and then I can help you narrow this down properly to get a very focused niche that can help you reach out to people online. Let's move on to the next thing. How can you market yourself online? How does online marketing work? Now you know the idea. You probably have a niche you want to get started, an area you want to focus on. How can you market yourself online in order to get people to know you, to like you, to trust you in order to do business with you so you can make some money online? Let's get to that right now. So online marketing is not difficult, okay? I'm going to give you a formula that you can use to succeed in online marketing. It's called the Loft formula. You might have not heard it before. It's something I created, the Loft formula, okay? So the Loft is an acronym. L stands for lead magnet. I will explain. Lead magnet. O stands for offer, okay? F stands for funnel, and T stands for traffic, okay? If you want to make soft money, if you want to have things soft for you online, then you must use a Loft formula. Let's get into it right now. I'll explain every part of this formula for you to understand. And once you follow this and follow it judiciously, you will be sure to make your online marketing journey a success. So let's look at lead magnet, the first one, L, lead magnet. So a lead magnet is anything you offer for free to your audience or to your market in order to attract them to you. Okay, so you want to attract people to you. First of all, you must put something out, in the area of your specialization, something valuable that you want to give to them in order for them to raise their hand and say, hey, I'm interested in what you are doing. So always, you want to start a marketing journey, you must start with something free. This mainly applies to people who are in the services industry, but there's a way for those who are also selling products to use this lead magnet to attract people. So you don't have to start offering your product for free, but you can create educational content around your product or around your niche in order to inform people about the benefits of using your product in order for their attention to come on you. And then from there, you can continue educating them. They become loyal to you. They get to trust you, and then you can begin to sell to them. Because you see, the most valuable thing online is trust. If somebody can trust you, they can give you their money. Okay, so if you are meeting strangers for the first time online, they have not even met you, they are seeing your shop online, they are seeing your WhatsApp stuff right now, they don't know you, so they don't trust you enough to pay you. So a lot of people do mistakes by just promoting their stuff to strangers. They don't know you, so it's difficult for them to risk it to buy from you. The good thing to do is offer them value, invest in them, show them that you know your stuff, you know what you're doing, you care about them, your stuff is beneficial to them, and when they begin to get a lot of value from you, they will freely give you their money. That is why most people that I relate with online who have paid me huge sums of money to work for them, I've never met them before, but they trust me day in, day out to work with them. So examples of lead magnets you can create, you have ebooks, you have templates, I've mentioned them already, you have videos, content, audio content, guides, and all of those free stuff you can give, just like the free ebook I want to give you at the end of this video. If you are still watching, make sure that you get to the end of this video and then you get that free ebook. Valuable stuff. I've sold that ebook for, about $10 in the past 2 years ago when I released it, and I'm giving it for free to help you make money on WhatsApp. Let's move to number 2, which is your offer. Your offer is what you are selling to the people. So first of all, you brought them in using a strategy called the lead magnet strategy. You let them in with something valuable. Now, as they have come, you have nurtured them. Now they are ready to buy from you. So now you give them an offer, right? So you're not just selling to them a product, but you are selling to them an offer. What's the difference? An offer is an ideal solution to the problem your audience is facing. A product is just something you have put together to sell. The difference is that when you make an offer to your customer or your target or your potential customer, your offer speaks more to their problem than your product. So a product is rice, even raw 5 kg rice, which is about 50 Ghana cedis now. Now, if you want to make an offer to a hungry person, you will sell them jollof rice with chicken, even with egg, with salad and other sauce, with bottled water, with Hollandia yogurt, and you give it to them maybe at 100 Ghana cedis. Someone who is really hungry may be willing to buy your plate of rice with all those things accompanying it at 100 cedis than buying a bag of 5 kg rice which is not cooked. because their problem is hunger. Their problem is not saving on what they are buying. The problem is hunger. So you need to really understand the problem your audience or your market is facing in order to give them an offer that is best suited for them. So in creating an offer, you have to add some bonuses, looking at the condition of your target customer and giving them something they will really appreciate and find irresistible. Let's move on right now to number 3, which is funnel. So your funnel is a journey where your customer will travel to come to the final destination of giving you money for what you are selling. Okay, so we started with your lead magnet coming into your funnel. So just like a funnel, right? You know a funnel. So you pour water from the top of the funnel, it's very open, but the one that drops into maybe the container you're transferring the water to is very narrow. So usually people who come into your space to come and get your lead magnet, come and get your free stuff, there are many, but the ones who buy at the end are very few. But in order to guarantee success, you need to craft the journey properly. You need to know how to get people, where to get them from, and all of that. So maybe you are getting them from Facebook, you are creating a link that they will click and come to your WhatsApp, or you are leveraging other groups and all of that. You can put that together properly. And in my program where I said I'm going to hold your hand and show you all of these things, how it works, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your funnel, how to bring people into your funnel in order to guarantee your marketing success, so you can make some money on WhatsApp. Finally, the last one, which is traffic. How do you generate traffic? So traffic can be either paid traffic or free traffic. So free traffic is where you don't pay, but you get people rushing, coming to you in order to get into your funnel, to get your free stuff, to move down the funnel to where you begin to offer your things to them, and then they begin to pay you and all of that. And so you can, leverage your friends, your contacts to maybe share your stuff on their status, to their groups and all of that. That's free traffic. You're not paying for it. But also there's another way to actually pay and get more traffic. If you have some money to spend, you can do Facebook ads, you can do Instagram ads and all of that. And in my program, as I told you earlier, I'm going to show you step by step how to do all of these things. So no matter what you decide to do right now, there's a guarantee that when you join my program called the Money on WhatsApp Masterclass, there's a special offer. I'm launching the brand new course, a newer version, updated version of this course. I'm just launching it next week, and you have an opportunity to join it now. There's a link, the second link in the description of this video. I have put a special link over there where you can click and contact me on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you or tell you more about this program and how I can take your hand, hold your hand, and personally coach you. Listen, there are so many people who have gotten a lot of results from this. I'm going to play a video right now of one renowned celebrity here in Ghana. He's a TV presenter. He has been part of my program, and in just 1 month of applying what I taught him in my WhatsApp masterclass, all this that I explained to you, I took my time for 1 month and taught them, and he got 3,000 cedis in sales in just 1 month selling his ebooks online. Whether you sell ebooks, whether you sell physical product, what digital services, whatever you're doing, drop shipping, whatever you're doing, I can show you. I've shown people, over 1,000 people, how to use WhatsApp to make it happen. It's very easy, it's very simple. So the video is coming up next. Don't forget, click the link below, come on WhatsApp. I'll explain everything to you, and we'll take it from there. You too can make 5,000. 5,000 is very small. Can you make more than that in a month? It's possible. Click the link below and join me on WhatsApp right now. Let's take this to the next level. Cheers.
There's power in words, and I'll show you why. So a couple of years back, I subscribed for a WhatsApp course on copywriting held by Desmond Eklu, and then just the beginning of this month, I thought, let me put this knowledge together and sell my ebooks. In a month, I sold 3,000 CDs worth of an ebook. And what really warmed my heart is that when I put the post out selling the book on Facebook, somebody came and said, no, he can smell Desmond's work in this. And it just attests to the fact that if you learn something from somebody, it reflects in what you do. So it's a powerful, powerful, powerful course on WhatsApp. How to do copywriting, how to use words to sell your product or your services. And I urge you to subscribe for this course. Your selling journey will not be the same. Remember, the name is Desmond Eklu, E-K-L-U. And look for that course. It's on WhatsApp. How to do copywriting the right way with a master. My name is Kaf. Thank you.